Hello everyone. Today we are talking about Thirsties' original product, actually, Thirsties Diaper Cover. Now this was the diaper that our founder, Erin Kimmett, designed with her sewing machine at her kitchen table, and it's still a part of our lineup today. So I'm going to give you a brief overview of our diaper cover, and then we're going to talk about how to use them. So first things first, Thirsties Diaper Cover comes in 5 different sizes. Now you'll notice that these covers, they don't have rise snaps. Those snaps that are in the front of a diaper. So here is a duo wrap. See these snaps? You use those snaps to help size this diaper. But the Thirsties Diaper Cover line, there are no snaps because these are designed to be cut to size. So really, they give you a perfect fit. And the other thing that's really nice about them is that they're cut a little more generous in the back. So these are a favorite, especially for like nighttime options where you have to stuff and have extra room for extra absorbency. So that's what Thirsties covers are really well designed for. Okay, so let's go through the sizes. First, we have our teeny tiny newborn preemie. This is designed to fit 4 to 10 pounds. And you'll notice that there's an umbilical cord cut down here in the design, okay? And it also has our narrower hook and loop, okay? And so that's our preemie newborn cover. Next is our extra small. This is designed to fit babies 6 to 12 pounds. Same umbilical cord cut down. It has Thirsties signature double gussets that are fantastic at keeping all of that newborn mess inside. If you use prefolds with your newborns, this is a really wonderful option, especially at the weight range of 6 to 12 pounds. And you'll notice too, our extra small, just like our newborn preemie, has that narrower hook and loop, and it's also available in snap as well. But just to compare, if we go up the next size, see here, this is our small cover, okay, so babies growing. This is designed for 12 to 18 pounds, okay. Then we have medium, and truth be told, our medium is really popular for, we're starting to get into that more toddler nighttime diaper option. So the medium cover fits, let me double check here, 18 to 28 pounds. Okay, see how generous it is in the back? Okay, so you can really put a lot of absorbency in there. So that is our medium cover. And then last but certainly not least, so we've got medium and now large, okay? Again, no rise snaps. These are cut to fit at the weight range that they're given. So the large is designed to fit babies 28 to 40 pounds. Although truth be told, there are a lot of families that have kiddos that weigh more than 40 pounds that fit in this diaper. This is a really great option if maybe you use our other cover system, our duo wrap that only has 2 sizes, size 1 and 2, and remember they have those rise snaps. But our duo wrap actually has a 3rd size, our size 3. Now this is very large. And so some families, they need a diaper to help them go from our size 2 duo wrap to our size 3. Maybe it's just this is too much cover, enter our extra large cover, and this really does fit that kind of in between the size 2 duo and the size 3 duo. Our large is awesome. Danielle is saying that she loves the size covers for newborns. Absolutely. So our cover line is really popular at the two ends of the spectrum. The newborn option is really popular, and then the medium to large for those bigger nighttime diapers is really popular as well. And all of these have those gentle elastics, that nice TPU waterproofing, the double gussets, and they're available in snap and hook and loop, okay? And these retail for $12.95 MSRP, so they're quite affordable, especially considering all of the variety of things that you can actually put in them. And Amber is saying she loves every Thirsties cover she's used. Okay, so she's tried the size 2 duo, she's tried the size 3, and the large and the medium. Yes, absolutely. So let's talk about how to use these, what to put inside of them. So on the smaller end of the spectrum, okay, really, you can't go wrong with our newborn preemie cover and our extra small cover, pairing that with prefolds or half flats. Another option would be Thirsties underneath our extra small, would be our Thirsties newborn fitted diaper, okay? So this little cutie pairs perfectly with the extra small. It's quite a lot to try to fit this underneath the newborn preemie. So if you have a really teeny tiny and you only have the preemie size, this isn't going to fit under that. But most newborns do really well with our extra small cover, okay? All right. Oh, yay, love Thirsties. Thank you so much for saying that. Thanks for joining. So let's move up a notch. Okay, so once you get to like our small cover, that is going to start to work really well with Thirsties new organic cotton flat. And the beauty of our organic cotton flat is that this diaper, a flat means it's just one piece of fabric, one layer that can be folded in so many different ways. And this flat is going to fit small babies up to, I mean, we've even had groupies that put this on their 5-year-olds. So flats are an excellent option. Another thing that you could do with your extra small all the way up medium large is our duo hemp prefolds. Now those come in 2 sizes. It comes in a size 1, and then here is our size 2. Now the difference between a flat and a prefold is that a prefold is prefolded and sewn together so that some of the layers are sewn together. Let me see if I can, well, you can see right here. So the layers are sewn together, and this, easy peasy, you just fold it into thirds and put it right in to your cover. Now, here's where the magic happens at the heavier end of the weight spectrum on this line, is that since this is a generous cut diaper, you can really double up your absorbency. Sometimes we get asked, actually a lot of the times, we get asked in our group, I have a toddler and the nighttime diapers just aren't working for us. We can't wear disposables because the disposables give my kid rashes, but we need to find a cloth option that works. Help. Okay, so here's what I would recommend. And our covers are perfect for this because there's lots of extra room for extra absorbency. Double up your system. Whether that be using, instead of just one prefold, use 2. Or let's say Thirsties fitted, our one size fitted is great with our medium and our large cover. But here's the magic of using a fitted diaper. All the absorbency doesn't have to be on inside the diaper, because this diaper, you notice there's no waterproofing. You have to pair it with a cover. So, my friends, take your duo wrap size or your duo prefold size 1, size 2, whichever you need. Take your fitted and put your prefold around your fitted, okay? And then put that inside your cover. That is quite the diaper, folks, but it really is excellent for that nighttime option, okay? If you really have a heavy wetter, you need lots of absorbency, guys. There you go, okay? A fitted with a prefold on the outside. Okay, the newborn natural and a one size fitted, you perfectly, oh, you have gotten a flat on the newborn. Awesome, okay. Great. This can fit, like I said, this flat diaper. It's just, there's so many different ways to use it. And actually, this brings me to an exciting announcement, guys. We are going to have a fun challenge with our Thirsties Flats. Okay, it's going to be the Thirsties Flats Challenge. And so if you use Thirsties Flats, we want you to either make like a photo collage of like how you fold them, or take a video and share how do you fold your Thirsties Flats? How do you use them? And we are going to actually have a hashtag for that, which I think, Stephanie, you're on the Thirsties comments. If you could put the hashtag in the comments, that would be great. So we're going to have a hashtag, and we're going to pull a random winner for a gift certificate to go shopping at thirstiesbaby.com. So that Flats Fold Challenge is coming up in March. We're really, really excited. And these flats, they go so well with our covers. All right, so that is the basics of Thirsties covers. Here are just a couple of comments from folks on social media here. So, Emily on Instagram says, I love the original diaper covers. Not a huge fan of rye snaps personally, and I find the covers are much less confusing for babysitters since there are not as many snaps. And with the hook and loop option, there are no snaps at all. Okay? Miss Melissa Joy says that Thirsties large covers and a fitted diaper with a booster is my go-to diaper for my toddler at night. Okay? Let's see. Jessie says the extra small and small with prefolds is perfect for the newborn stage. They were a perfect fit. Okay, so the simplicity of these covers. All right, the hashtag for the comments is going to be Thirsties Flats Challenge. So you guys can start dreaming up your ideas for that. Show us how you use our flats in a video, in a picture, collage. Get creative. It needs to be a public post. Okay, so if you share on your Facebook page, you can actually edit the privacy of your Facebook post so that we can see it. Post it with the hashtag. You can, of course, share it in our group, the Thirsties Groupies, and on Instagram. And announcement, Thirsties is on TikTok, folks. So you can even make TikToks with our flats now, okay? And be sure to mention us in them. All right, so we've got, yes, infographics would be great too. That's an excellent idea. So if you want, just get started on that, okay, guys? So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any more questions about Thirsties covers, feel free to put that in the comments. We always check the comments, whether you're watching on Facebook or YouTube. We've got you covered. Haha, get it? We've got you covered. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us. We will see you next week on another Thirsties Live. Happy cloth diapering, everyone.